need a table, you can take it anywhere. Let's go ahead and open this and see. Let's take it out of the box and see. Everything is in one bag. And here is the handle you can carry. This portable roll-up table is lightweight and easy to carry. You can set it up in minutes with no tools needed. Adjust the height for camping, barbecues, picnics, or parties. These are what we have inside. Oh, look at that. That's perfect. Let me go ahead and unfold it and show it to you. As you can see, it is very easy to unfold like that. And then we're gonna use these metals. Let's go ahead and connect them each other. We have 3 holes, 1, 2, 3. And there are some areas over here. We're just gonna go ahead and push it. It's gonna go inside. The same thing right there. And we're gonna do the same things over here. Alright, we're good to go. Isn't this perfect? And here is the top part. We have some clips over here. You can adjust it however you like. I will do the same thing on the other side. That was easy. One right there and one right in here at the end. We're good to go. And you can adjust this however you like. 1, 2, and 3. Everything is ready right now. It's perfect. Let's check it out closely. Next thing I want to show you is the height. Let's see. You can adjust it however you like. And then screw it. Same thing for the other side. You can do the same thing for the rest of the 2 legs. Let me go ahead and put some things on it and see. Now everything is ready. This is very stable and very compact and very durable. Here is my backyard. And this is a perfect item for my backyard. Whenever I go camping, I'm gonna take this too. Let me go ahead and try to fold it. There you go. We can go ahead and put it inside the bag. Definitely suggested.